Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Movies and Melodies. Today, I want to talk about actors who are primarily South Indian actors who forayed into Hindi movies but out of choice did not remain in Bollywood. So, to begin with, Anjali Devi. She was extremely popular in the 40s and 50s in South Indian films. Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, all these movies she acted in. And she was born in 1927 in Peddapura in Andhra. And her name was actually Anjamma. She was always interested in theatre, so she started acting in a lot of plays. And she changed her name to Anjani Devi. But director Pullayya found her in one of these plays and decided that she would do very well in the movies. And he changed her name to Anjali Devi. She immediately became very popular, and during the course of her movie career, she met with music director Adinarayan Rao and married him. She also went on to produce, I think, about 27, 28 movies. Very enterprising lady, and her Suvarna Sundari, which was made simultaneously in Tamil and Telugu, also ended up being remade in Hindi, and she acted in that as well. The Kuhu Kuhu Bole Koyaliya, that's from that movie, which made her uber famous. But she's credited with the movie Ladki as her real Hindi debut. She was paired opposite Bharat Bhushan. It was a parallel role to Vaijayanthimala's role in the movie. So the first song that I want to share today is an Anjali Devi movie, Ladki, and Geeta Dutt has sung the song. The music for the movie was R. Sudarshanam and Dhani Ram, with Rajendra Krishan writing the lyrics. So from Ladki, Baat chalat nayi chunari rangadar. Next, we have B. Saroja Devi. She was from Bangalore. She was born in Bangalore in 1938. Her father was a police officer. he actually encouraged her to learn music, learn classical dancing, and actually encouraged her to start a career in films. She was immensely talented and very beautiful. She was cast at a very, very young age, like she was only 17, 16, 17, when she was cast in a Kannada movie called Mahakavi Kalidasa. She went on to win the National Award for this movie for regional films. And then she caught the eye of the Tamil film industry. So she was cast in a Tamil movie, and M.G. Ramachandran, who saw that movie, really, really liked her. So he made sure she was his heroine for his very, very famous Nadodi Mannan. And that firmly established her as a superstar in Tamil movies. Then she went on to act in Telugu as well and some Malayalam movies. So she was a superstar in the South in 3 languages for sure, and was also quite popular in the Malayalam film industry. Then she caught the eye of Bollywood. So she ended up in, I want to say, 5 or 6 Hindi movies like Beti Bete, Paigam, Sasural, Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya with Shami Kapoor. It was amazing. She acted with all the top stars in all the languages that she acted in. She was active in films for, I want to say, 30 years, maybe a little more. She actively stopped acting in movies in 2009. On the side, she was also a very successful businesswoman. So a woman who was very well-rounded. She got married to a mechanical engineer named Sri Harsha in 1967, and her husband was very, very encouraging of her to continue her career in films. She has 2 children, a son and a daughter, who are both not in films. She led a very full life, and sadly for us fans, she passed away on July 14th of this year. So for the song that I want to share for one of her movies in the Hindi movie industry is from the movie Beti Bete. She co-starred with Sunil Dutt in the movie. She was superb, and since she was a very good dancer, this song actually has her dancing on stage, and Sunil Dutt is singing the song on stage. It's kind of a classical song. Music Shankar Jaikishan with Hasrat Jaipuri Shailendraji writing the lyrics. So from Beti Bete in Mohammad Rafi's voice, Radhike Tune Bansuri Churai.
राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, काहे करार मचाई मचाई रे राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, बंसरी चुराई क्या तेरे मन आई, काहे करार मचाई मचाई रे राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई। पर न बताए, कहाँ छुपाई पर न बताए, नट खट कर ढिठाई ढिठाई राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई, राधिके तूने बंसरी चुराई.
Next we have Jamuna. She was born in Hampi, Karnataka in 1936. Her family moved to Andhra Pradesh when she was about 7 years old. Her mother was a music teacher, so she was always encouraged to act and sing and, basically take an interest in the performing arts. At the age of 16, she debuted in a Telugu movie called Puttillu and was immediately a success. So she acted mainly in Telugu movies. She did a lot of Tamil movies also and Kannada movies. She was successful in all three, but Telugu appeared to be her industry of choice, shall we say. She also acted in several Hindi movies. So I think she was never very comfortable in Bollywood. That's the impression I always got when I saw her in Hindi movies. She was a good actor, very charming, but somehow it felt like she was not enjoying herself, shall we say, as compared to when you see her in her southern movies. She got married to a zoology professor called Ramana Rao, and she had a son and a daughter, and she passed away in 2023 and left all of us, her fans, bereft. For the Hindi song today that I want to share, it's from a movie called Hamrahi. So it's a huge hit. Rajendra Kumar was her co-star in the movie. Shankar Jaikishan's music with Hasrat Jaipuri, Shailendra ji writing the lyrics. Hasrat Jaipuri's song is the one I'm sharing today. It's a duet, Mohammad Rafi with Mubarak Begum, from Hamrahi, Mujhko apne gale laga lo.
मुझको अपने गले लगा लो ऐ मेरे हमराही, मुझको अपने गले लगा लो ऐ मेरे हमराही, तुमको क्या बतलाऊं मैं कि तुमसे कितना प्यार है.
मुझको अपने गले लगा लो ऐ मेरे हमराही, तुमको क्या बतलाऊं मैं कि तुमसे कितना प्यार है. मुझको अपने गले लगा लो.
जब तुम मुझसे दूर रहते हो जिया मेरा घबराता है, नींद आँखों से उड़ जाती है, चाँद गगन बरसाता है, दोनों पहलू जल जाते हैं, आग में आग लगाता है, जैसे तड़पे बिन जल मछली प्यार मुझे तड़पाता है, प्यार मुझे तड़पाता है. इस उलझन से मुझको बचा लो ऐ मेरे हमराही, तुमको क्या बतलाऊं मैं कि तुमसे कितना प्यार है.
मुझको अपने गले लगा लो ऐ मेरे हमराही, तुमको क्या बतलाऊं मैं कि तुमसे कितना प्यार है. मुझको अपने गले लगा लो.
Next we have Bharati. She was born in Bangalore and brought up in Bangalore. She was actually a Maharashtrian. And she was an athletic young lady who danced very well. She had a BSc as well. And a very, very graceful, very, I want to say almost intellectual actor. She was immensely successful in Kannada movies. Her debut movie was called Dudde Doddappa, and she was, I want to say, almost instantly a star. The Kannada movie fans adored her, still adore her, I should say. And she did act in other South Indian movies, but she chose to basically mainly act in Kannada movies. She also acted in a lot of Hindi movies like Purab aur Paschim, Sadhu aur Shaitan, Kumara Baap, um, Mastana, Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani, a lot of other movies as well. She wasn't an enormous success in Bollywood, but she was good in the movies that she acted in and did get noticed. She married Dr. Vishnuvardhan, who was a Kannada superstar, and they adopted two daughters. He passed away sadly in 2009. She appears to have retired, but I think, you know, she does smaller roles here and there even now, and still looks amazingly good and acts still very, very well. So for the movie that I want to share a song from today, Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani, it's an immensely popular song sung at every New Year's Eve party. Kalyanji Anandji's music with Hasrat Jaipuri, Kamar Jalalabadi writing the lyrics. This one was written by Hasrat ji. Kishore Kumar has of course sung it beautifully. The song is picturized actually on Jalal Agha, who sings this song in sort of a college picnic setting. And these two young people, Rakesh Roshan and Bharti, are kind of falling in love via the song kind of a thing. So from Ghar Ghar Ki Kahani, Sama Hai Suhana Suhana.
समा है सुहाना सुहाना नशे में जहाँ है किसी को किसी की खबर ही कहाँ है हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जवां है समा है सुहाना सुहाना कह रही है नजर नजर से अफसाने कह रही है नजर नजर से अफसाने हो रहा है असर कि जिसको दिल जाने देखो ये दिल की अजब दास्तां है नजर बोलती है दिल बेजुबान है समा है सुहाना सुहाना नशे में जहाँ है किसी को किसी की खबर ही कहाँ है हर दिल में देखो मोहब्बत जवां है समा है सुहाना सुहाना
Now we come to the men. Rajnikant sir. I know I've done an episode on him and Shivaji Ganeshan sir in a kind of a joint episode, so I'm going to be quite brief about his career. He was from a Maharashtrian family, born, brought up in Bangalore. His father was a police constable and his mother was a homemaker. He was the youngest of 5-6 children and much indulged by his oldest brother, who adored him. His father was very strict and very much kind of a disciplinarian sort of a man. And he didn't quite like Rajni sir getting into movies, but his older brother was very, very indulgent of him and realized that this was his dream. He helped him go study in Madras and train in the Film Institute there. And of course, his debut movie, Apurva Ragangal, was a huge success. And he became a massive star in all the South Indian languages. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and of course Kannada. He also acted in Bengali movies in addition to Hindi movies. And I think it is a testament to his talent and his immense charisma on screen. He was not a traditionally, or he is not, a traditionally handsome man, but he has tremendous screen presence, in addition to, of course, simply oodles of talent. His Hindi movie debut was in a movie called Andha Kanun. He was cast opposite Reena Roy, and Hema Malini played his sister. Amitabh Bachchan also has a parallel role. Complete masala movie, but enormous success. And he went on to act in several other Hindi movies as well, but chose to remain in the South because he felt his loyalty was actually to the South. He was very popular in Bollywood. I mean, the man's fan status is cult status, right? Japan, China, the whole world over, who doesn't admire him, honestly? So I will share a song today from Andha Kanun. It's a duet. The music for the movie was Lakshmikant Pyarelal, with Anand Bakshi writing the lyrics. S.P. Balasubramaniam and Asha Bhonsle sang the song. Mausam ka taqaza hai.
मौसम का तकाजा है हम टूट के प्यार करें दुनिया वाले चाहे इकरार करें चाहे इनकार करें
मौसम का तकाजा है हम टूट के प्यार करें दुनिया वाले चाहे इकरार करें चाहे इनकार करें
मौसम का तकाजा है
हम टूट के प्यार करें
दुनिया वाले चाहे इकरार करें चाहे इनकार करें
हम कितने पास चले आए हम कितने पास चले आए थोड़ी सी मुलाकातों में
डरती हो या शर्माती हो दो हाथ हमारे हाथों में
अपने दिल की बात करो मत आओ मेरी बातों में
इस दिल का इरादा है हम टूट के प्यार करें दुनिया वाले चाहे इकरार करें चाहे इनकार करें
If Rajni sir is here, can Kamal sir be far behind? Kamala Hassan, amazing actor. I want to say he's a thespian approaching, or maybe even surpassing, dare I say it, Dilip Kumar's talent. Amazing dancer. I mean, absolutely amazing dancer. Classically trained, of course, and just superb. Philanthropist, dipped his toe in politics. Also quite controversial. He started his career as a child artist at the age of 6 in a movie called Kalatur Kannamma. The movie was a weep fest from the word go. But Kamal sir is just adorable in the movie. He is so natural and just so cute. He won the national award for this movie for Best Child Artist. And then he moved on to, I mean, he acted in several child artist roles and then moved on to adult roles in sort of side roles. Then he became the lead. Once he kind of hit his stride as an adult actor, he absolutely hit unprecedented heights. He took on movies which had incredibly unusual roles. He never hesitated to take on an acting challenge, never worried about his image. So, an absolutely consummate artist, I want to say, from whichever angle you look at him. He was a superstar, of course, in Tamil and Telugu. Also was very, very good in a lot of Malayalam movies and Kannada movies as well. He too acted in Bengali movies in addition to Hindi movies. So the movie I want to share a song from today for Kamal sir is Ek Duje Ke Liye. This was a remake of a Telugu movie, Maro Charitra, immensely tragic movie but very, very good. Incredible acting by Kamal sir, of course, and Rati Agnihotri, who was cast opposite him. The supporting cast is very good as well. Music was Lakshmikant Pyarelal with Anand Bakshi writing the lyrics. This song is a tandem song in the movie. Lataji solo as well as S.P. Balasubramaniam solo. I'm sharing the S.P. Balasubramaniam one today. So from Ek Duje Ke Liye, Tere Mere Beech Mein Kaisa Hai Ye Bandhan Anjana.
तेरे मेरे बीच में, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, तूने नहीं जाना, मैंने नहीं जाना, तूने नहीं जाना, तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजाना. एक डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चला एक डोर खींचे दूजा दौड़ा चला कच्चे धागे में बंधा चला ऐसे जैसे कोई ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना ऐसे जैसे कोई दीवाना मैंने नहीं जाना तूने नहीं जाना तेरे मेरे बीच में कैसा है ये बंधन अनजान.
We now come to Chiranjeevi. He was huge in Telugu movies, came from a very, very small town in Andhra. He got a bachelor's degree in commerce, but he was always very, very interested in joining the film industry. He was a very, very hard worker and very determined to succeed in films. He eventually got a break, and once he got his foot in the door, he made sure that he was going to work his way to the top. He acted with all the top actors of his generation. He acted in Tamil movies as well and Kannada movies, but mainly stuck to Telugu. He also acted in several Hindi movies, and he was actually successful in that as well. Juhi Chawla acted with him in several Hindi movies. He got married to the daughter of a Telugu industry character actor, and his son Ram Charan is now very successful in films as well as a hero. So for the Hindi song that I want to share today, it's from his debut Hindi movie called Pratibandh. He acted with Juhi Chawla in the movie. It was a hit, masala movie, but huge hit. And this song is actually a very cute song in the movie. It's a duet. Amit Kumar, Alka Yagnik have sung the song. Lakshmikant Pyarelal's music with Anand Bakshi's lyrics. So from Pratibandh, Kabhi Hua Nahi.
कभी हुआ नहीं, कभी देखा नहीं, कहीं सुना नहीं, कहीं पढ़ा नहीं,
कभी हुआ नहीं, कभी देखा नहीं, कहीं सुना नहीं, कहीं पढ़ा नहीं,
दिल लिया नहीं, दिल दिया नहीं, लिया नहीं, दिया नहीं, हाय कुछ किया नहीं, जैसे हमने प्यार किया यूं प्यार किसी ने किया नहीं।
कभी हुआ नहीं, कभी देखा नहीं, कहीं सुना नहीं, कहीं पढ़ा नहीं, दिल लिया नहीं, दिल दिया नहीं, लिया नहीं, दिया नहीं, हाय कुछ किया नहीं, जैसे हमने प्यार किया यूं प्यार किसी ने किया नहीं। कभी हुआ नहीं,
कभी देखा नहीं,
कहीं सुना नहीं,
कहीं पढ़ा नहीं। ठंडी ठंडी आहें भरी ना किया तड़प के याद, ठंडी ठंडी आहें भरी ना किया तड़प के याद, एक दूजे का नाम भी पूछा तो शादी के बाद, तो शादी के बाद कुछ पूछा नहीं, कुछ ढूंढा नहीं, कुछ मांगा नहीं, कुछ जाना नहीं, दिल लिया नहीं, दिल दिया नहीं, हाय कुछ किया नहीं, जैसे हमने प्यार किया यूं प्यार किसी ने किया नहीं। कभी हुआ नहीं,
कभी देखा नहीं,
कहीं सुना नहीं।
कहीं पढ़ा नहीं।
Finally, for the last star of today, Nagarjuna. He was the son, or is the son, of A. Nageshwara Rao, who was a giant in the Telugu film industry. Nagarjuna was born in Chennai because at that time movies were made in Chennai. A. Nageshwara Rao actually was instrumental in moving the Telugu industry to Hyderabad. He opened studios over there, and the Telugu movie industry moved there and started shooting in Hyderabad. So Nagarjuna grew up in Hyderabad, and he acted as a child artist initially. He got a degree in mechanical engineering, but you know, being born into that family, it was inevitable that he would end up in films. Very good looking and a very, very good actor as well. He naturally became a huge success in Telugu movies, right from his debut movie, which was called Vikram. It was a remake of Jackie Shroff's Hero, and it was a big success, and he, basically was adored by the fans. He acted in Tamil movies, some Kannada movies as well, and Hindi movies, of course. The song that I want to share today is from a movie called Criminal. It was made simultaneously in Telugu and in Hindi, and he co-starred with Manisha Koirala and Ramya Krishnan in the movie. The music was by M.M. Keeravani sir, and the lyrics for the Hindi version were written by Indivar ji. This is a very pretty duet, Kumar Shanu and Chitra, from Criminal, Tum Mile Dil Khile.
तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए, तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए, हाँ तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए। चंदा तुझे ओ, देखने को निकला करता है, आईना भी ओ, दीदार को तरसा करता है। इतनी हंसी कोई नहीं, इतनी हंसी कोई नहीं, हुस्न दोनों जहां का एक तुझ में सिमट के आया। तू मिले दिल खिले और जीने को क्या चाहिए।
That's it for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I hope it brings to mind some of the older South Indian superstars who forayed into Hindi films but didn't quite want to be there. Of course, nowadays it's like pan-India because movies are dubbed in all different languages, so there's, so much of commingling of stars all over the place. So you don't really have like that distinction that used to be very clear in the older days. For those of you who've subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And for those of you who haven't, please go to YouTube and subscribe to my channel and spread the word amongst your family and friends. I will be back in 2 weeks, but until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.